So this is day 6 and 7 of building my own SaaS solutions and running my own software company. I wasn't able to record yesterday because I was very tired and very busy. Maybe when things get off and start running more smoothly, I can hire like some part-time editors that's gonna do and edit these videos, because sometimes I don't have the energy to even like edit. Maybe I'll be able to record, but I will not be able like to cut things and just upload and just create a thumbnail and all this kinds of stuff. I didn't record the video for the weekend because I decided not to count the days that I'm gonna take off, because basically no work has been done in these days. So for yesterday and today, actually a lot has been going on, and not in terms of like shipping stuff, in terms of like working on building the stuff. Uh, First, the client work, everything's going alright. We hit the objectives and like the weekly objectives of last week. So for each week, I start off on Monday by creating this Notion page of that has the weekly objective and a daily update of what has been developed and everything. So for last week, we had hit all the objectives that I have set for the week, which is great. For this week, we started off with a call to set up DKIM and SPF on the emails. And also in that call, a good thing happened, which is the client is looking to validate 2 ideas they have. So for different products than the one I'm working on, and we're gonna discuss it more on a meeting on Wednesday. And hopefully, if that goes alright, there gonna be more work from that client, and that's great. That means like more work for the agency. Other than that, I worked on this interactive map feature. I worked on planning it out. It's gonna be basically a map with places, and a user can click on it, see reviews of that place and photos of it that have been submitted by the app users, not from Google Maps or from the web, like from the app users, and then from the users who are using the app. Other than that, I think that's all what have been done on the client work side from yesterday and from today. Also, some bad news. We got rejected again from the App Store for the SaaS solution we're working on, because they need us to not require the user to give us their email when they sign up. So we should, they told us that we should give them the option not to give us their emails. This is gonna create a little bit of an issue, because we have a web version of the same app. So if a user subscribes through the mobile apps, they're gonna gain access to the web version. So now we're gonna have to add a disclaimer that if they don't give us the email, they won't be able to access the web version. That's from the SaaS solution side. And from the agency side, like we're working on there's a lot of branches of what we're working on, like SaaS solutions, like agency work, and like the agency website itself, because that hasn't been done. We have some initial designs. It's not the most like creative thing, because we'll have to hire a dedicated UX and UI persons for this in the future. Maybe when we get more clients, we can do a whole revamp of the initial version of the website. But this is how it would look like. I'll like add it here through the magic of video editing. And if anybody has any feedback on how it looks, on anything that doesn't look alright, that should be changed, I'd be happy for some feedback. And I think this has been it. Like, so this has been day 6 and 7, and hopefully I'm gonna see you tomorrow in day 8.